I saw a Shark 7001 steam mop being reviewed by one of my favorite YouTubers, and from that moment on, I was intrigued. That was back in 2022, and after purchasing one for myself, I've been using it ever since. This has been the best cleaning system I've used on my tile flooring, and I've tried several. The mop has two pads that spin while steaming, allowing it to scrub and sanitize at the same time. It comes with 4 washable scrub pads that are easy to attach to the bottom of the unit. I only use distilled water on my small appliances because we have hard water and it cuts down on the calcium buildup. To start cleaning, I add the water to the water tank on the front of the unit. Once turned on, the steaming action begins. One of my favorite features of the steam mop are the LED headlights. They make it so easy to see the area you're cleaning even in low lighting. There are 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, and I typically use the normal mode. The mop is self-propelling and easy to move along the floor, and it's so quiet, apparently even a little Yorkie isn't bothered by it. The Shark also has a very long cord that allows you to clean a large area at a time. Because there is no need for harsh chemicals, the Shark is safe for all sealed floors, including tile, hardwood, stone, and marble. I can't say enough good things about the Shark S7001. It's something that I will continue to use for years to come. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.